The bodies of the two Jamaican brothers who drowned in the United States 2 weeks ago have been released from the medical examiner's office in Massachusetts and are now being stored at a morgue in Boston. This was revealed by their father, Reverend Keith Bulgin. Anthony Lugg has the details.
Struggling to cope, the family of Tavares and Tavon Bulgin, 2 weeks after the brothers met their demise after jumping into the Jaws Bridge in Massachusetts near Martha's Vineyard. In a recording shared with our news center on Thursday, Pastor Bulgin described it as the toughest time of their lives.
Given the current situation, I think we are doing well. We have our moments when we break down, especially my wife and daughters, son-in-law, but God has been faithful.
Reverend Bulgin and his wife recently traveled to the United States to claim the bodies of Tavares and Tavon, who were 26 and 21 years old respectively. The brothers were among 4 people who jumped from the bridge sometime after 11 p.m. on August 14. The body of Tavares was removed from the water the same night of the incident. However, Tavon's body was not found until 4 days later by a fisherman. The family, still struggling to cope, is now making arrangements to have the bodies returned to Jamaica.
The boys have been released from the medical examiner's office and resting in a funeral home for travel to Jamaica, their homeland. We are awaiting the necessary documents both from the local authorities here in the United States, which should be ready soon.
Those documents will then be sent to the consulate in New York for the relevant approvals for travel. And as the family awaits those documents, Pastor Bulgin expressed gratitude.
On behalf of my family, to express our sincere thanks to our families and friends, and quite frankly, the nation of Jamaica, for the outpouring of love, support, and prayers during our time of grief.
Meanwhile, 2 GoFundMe campaigns were launched to help the Bulgin family transport the bodies of Tavares and Tavon back to Jamaica for burial and cover funeral expenses. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.